Start first by uploading your PCB. If you click at this icon, you will see all the file types that SIwave can support, especially IPC 2581 and ODB++. Then click on this icon, SIwave Wizard, and go to DCIR drop analysis. Select which power plane or RF line you want to analyze. You can do more than one. Select to add a voltage source, current source, any of these two. So I will put a voltage source at the VRM and a current source at the CPU. You can change the value. These are the numbers that will be used for all the frequencies. Do configure, validate, everything is okay, say okay. Then you close this dialog box. I can activate my power plane, highlight the 1.2 volt, go to simulation and select the far field. Select your frequency band, select also the resolution of your far field calculations and launch. Now that we have a solution, we can plot the results. So plot far field. You can select maximum RE total, and this is what we get. This is the curve that we use for EMI. You can also plot RE total. This is a 3D plot, so you're gonna plot it also in the electronic desktop, and this is it.